Hey foodies, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be making seared garlic scallop. So we're going to start off with a paper towel. We're going to use this to dry our scallops on both sides. Now that our scallops are nice and dry, we're going to be adding in some salt and some powdered seasoning on one side. We're going to turn it over and repeat the process, but we're not going to be adding the salt this time, only the powdered seasoning and some crushed black pepper. Let's heat our oil in a medium skillet pan, and we're going to be adding in our scallops one at a time. We're going to let this cook on both sides for at least 2 minutes. Now that the scallops have been cooking for 2 minutes, we're going to be adding in some crushed garlic, some thyme, and also chili powder, and we're going to be adding in a tablespoon of butter. So let's let this cook for another minute, and then we're going to let it sit for 2 minutes, so that the scallops can absorb all the flavor from the thyme and the garlic. I'll be serving my scallops with some purple mashed potatoes and some steamed Brussels sprouts. This is what I had for lunch today after returning from the gym. If you like this video guys, remember to like, share and subscribe.